Hey everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to put up and down the roof on your Ferrari 348 Spider. So first off, you are just going to open the door and you're going to want to move your seats forward. So over on the passenger side, I will slide this seat forward, and same thing on the driver's side. Slide that seat forward. That's going to expose this back area like so, giving you a little bit more clearance between the seats. Now this latch here, you're actually going to simply pull that up, and now this part will retract, or I guess it's not doing the opposite of retracting. Now, one thing that you have to be very cautious about that will potentially confuse you is here, there's a bar that actually you need to push forward. And again, you got to do it on both sides. Push that forward. Lock this piece in down here, like so. That now has your roof mostly clipped in. Looks good over on the passenger side. And now when you climb inside your car, this latch here, you're going to pull. It's going to clip in underneath those two bolts. And there you go. Your roof on your Ferrari 348 is now secured in place like so. And that is how to put up the roof in your 348. Obviously, it is the exact same process to put it down. But since I know someone's gonna ask, let me do it for you. So again, this time you're gonna pull this down and out. That's gonna allow you to pop the roof like so. And now you would simply open your door, start to push this back. Again, a reminder that this piece needs to be folded backwards like so. And of course, helps if your seat is out of the way. Same thing with that side. And there you have it. That is how to put down your Ferrari 348 roof. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below. Check out some of our other videos on the channel and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.